Good morning, class 8. Good morning, class 7. Today your topic is physical change. Talking about physical changes, you will understand there are some business topics. So, the first one is evaporation. What is evaporation? Evaporation is a process in which a substance changes from its liquid form to a gaseous state. Of any temperature below the boiling point is called evaporation. For example, the river water that is turning, drying up and going to the atmosphere is known as evaporation. When we boil water in a house, we can see that if we boil it for a long time, then we can see the water level goes down. That is known as evaporation. What are the factors that affect evaporation? That is temperature, moisture. Let me first explain temperature. When the temperature increases, the evaporation also increases, and when the temperature decreases, evaporation also decreases. The biggest example of it is that in the summer, you can see that whenever we put our clothes outside our house, within few minutes it gets dried up because the temperature is very hot and high. Whereas in winter, being cold, the dress takes a long time. Any part of the cloth takes a long time to dry. Next is moisture or humidity. The rate of evaporation decreases if there is increase of moisture or humidity in the air. This is why clothes take longer to dry in humid weather, like in rainy season and in winter. Next is surface area. If there is larger surface area, the higher the rate of evaporation. Also faster. If it is not having big surface area, then the evaporation causes slow. That's why we try to put our clothes in a better way, taking a large area so that it gets dried up easily. Next is movement of the air. Yes, what is movement of the air? If the air blows faster over the liquid, the higher is the rate of evaporation. Same clothes you can see, and if there is no air, then the evaporation takes slow. After physical change of evaporation, there is physical change in boiling. Boiling is a process in which the substance, when it is heated to its boiling point, it changes from liquid state to gaseous state. That is known as boiling. At your house, you can see boiling of water is a physical change. It is desirable or undesirable. It is reversible and endothermic. Okay, being reversible because if we close it, the steam is coming up, it touches the cooling place and it turns into water. That is why we get rain. The water is evaporating from the rivers, going up in the sky, cooling down, coming down. So like boiling also is reversible. Okay.